रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयू हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी.
Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I am creating this Navratri and Garba look. So this is a very traditional makeup look that I have created. I have these 3 black dots also, which is like a very traditional thing that a lot of people in Gujarat do, especially during Garbas. This is a very long lasting and a matte look because that's what you need, you know, during Garba season. You'll be dancing all night, so you don't want your makeup to melt away, and hence it's important that you use right products. Also guys, all the products that I've used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, and also I have mentioned details about these earrings that I got from a brand in Bombay. So I'll put their Instagram link there, and also there is a discount code that's mentioned in the description box. So yes, let's begin the video and create this festive look. So I moisturized my face using this green matcha gel cream. This is from Body Cupid. I got this in my PR package and I really like it. So I use this, you know, after my shower to moisturize my face. Now I'm using this primer which is from NYX. It's called Marshmallow Primer. For my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in shade medium brown. So after the primer, I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal. Now this is a really long lasting foundation and it has a matte finish. So you know it's perfect for Garba and Navratris because you know you'll be dancing all night and you don't want your foundation to melt right on your face. So this will stay really long and it will give a matte finish, which is what I want. So I'm using this. The shade that I'm using is 104 Golden Beige. And I'm using my foundation brush pack 003 to apply this foundation all over my face. Now I'm taking this Too Faced concealer. This is in shade Golden Beige. So I'm applying this under my eye, and also I have little pigmentation here which the foundation was not able to cover, so I'm applying it, little bit of concealer there also. Taking my damp beauty blender, this one is from Nykaa. Again, this concealer will provide you great coverage and is very long lasting. Whatever product is now left on the beauty blender, I am just putting that on my eyelid as well because my eyelid, if you see, they are really dark. Now I'm taking this MAC Studio Fix powder. This is shade NC35 and I am applying it all over my face. Even on the eyelid. I absolutely love this product. You know, it just seals your foundation and your concealer so nicely. Secondly, I mean, this is so handy. You can just keep it in your pouch, you know, in your bag, and it comes with a sponge, you know, so you can always do your touch up with this. Let's go on to contouring the face. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is in shade Caramel. For the nose contour, if I'm using the same brush, what I like to do is I just like to press the bristles like this and then contour my nose. I'm using this MAC blusher and I'm applying this right above this bronzer that I applied earlier. So just blending the two. Alright, let's go on to the eye makeup. I'm taking this palette. This is Chocolate Gold palette from Too Faced. And I'm taking this lightest brown shade right now and I'm applying that on my crease. After this, going with this brown shade, just darkening the outer corner and also taking this color to the crease. Okay, I'm taking this light shade and a flat brush and applying the shade on my lid. Going back to that brown shade and I'm applying this on my crease again and a little bit in the outer corner. Okay, for the eyeshadow part, this is it. I just basically wanted to contour my eyes, you know, with some brown shades and keep the eyelid very matte because I want to focus on the eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm taking this gel eyeliner from Maybelline. This is my favorite gel eyeliner. So I'm taking this and my Sigma brush and I am creating a winged eyeliner. Okay, so done with my eyeliner here. Next, I'll take this angular brush and this black shadow and I'm gonna pat this black shadow on top of my eyeliner. Like, this is the best way to make your eyeliner really dark. I'm pretty happy how intense and dark the eyeliner is looking right now. So now the next thing that I want to do is I just want to smudge this liner and like apply a little dark brown shade. So I'm taking this brown, okay, just slightly mixing it with the black, like just dipping the brush in black, and I'm going to smudge this part of the liner, just, you know, smoke out the edges and the outer corner, just taking this flat brush and again this dark brown shade, and I'm just applying this color in the lower lash line. Taking this highlighter from MAC, it's called Soft and Gentle, and applying the highlighter on the brow bone. And right here in the inner corner, just to make the eyes a little more brighter and give that little festive feel. Okay. I absolutely love this highlighter. I think I use this like every day whenever I'm wearing makeup. Love, love, love how it looks on my skin. For mascara, I'm using this one. This is from Too Faced. It's called Damn Girl. Okay, one little tip here, in case if you sweat a lot, I'll avoid applying mascara in the lower lashes, even though this is a waterproof mascara. But you know, in case you know that it's going to be a long night and you will be really sweaty with all that dancing and stuff, so just avoid this. Okay, now so I'll apply some lashes. Okay, so my lashes are also in place now. I applied these lashes from Euro Paris, number 10. Honestly, I think if I'm going out for Garba night, I would probably skip the lashes, but I think for the pictures, I just wanted to put on some lashes because I'm gonna post some pictures of this look on Instagram. So that's about it. Just being honest here with all of you. Okay, so now for the lipstick, I'm thinking I'll use this lipstick. Let's see how it looks. This is from PAC. Shade number is 5, Cobblestone. Okay, so let's just see how it actually looks on me. I haven't used this lipstick since a long time. I don't know. I'm not a pink color person. but however I think it's going pretty alright with the look, so I think let's just keep it, or maybe I'll apply a little bit of gloss on top of this. Okay, so I applied a little bit of this transparent gloss. Please do let me know which one were you liking better, the glossy lips or the matte lips. Do let me know in the comment section. Also now I'm taking this gel eyeliner and I'm gonna do a very traditional look, you know. Just gonna put these 3 dots here. I honestly wanted to just do this for the Navratra look, and yeah, like I think a bindi is missing now. Okay, now to keep all this makeup locked in for the longest time, I'm using this setting spray. Now this is from NYX. This is long lasting setting spray. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this Garba and Navratri look that I created for all of you. Thank you for watching this video, and of course I'll be creating more and more videos for this festive season. So do subscribe to my channel, and yeah guys, stay tuned because there'll be a lot of festive looks that will be coming on my channel. So you can press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. And thank you once again for watching this video. Take care and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.